Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for November 21st, 2018. Inglot has launched a collection based on the musical Wicked with beautiful greens for your inner Elphaba and pink tones for your Glinda side. Explore their site now, $8 to $24. And time for Black Friday sales. LA Splash Cosmetics has already started their Black Friday sale, and it'll run through November 26th. Ace Beauty has also started their Black Friday sale, where prices have been discounted by 30%. And finally, the Black Friday Doorbusters are strong at Ulta. Shop online starting at 5 p.m. Central and in stores starting at 6 p.m. Central. Here are some highlights. Selected name brand mascaras will be $10 each from Tarte, Urban Decay, Smashbox, and more. Fragrance faves for men or women will be $14.99. ABH Glow Kits and Liquid Glow are 40% off. Bare Minerals holiday sets are just $10 each. And the NYX Sugar Trip event calendar will be $29.99. See more on their site right now. But we hope you're not expecting free samples with your online orders, because they've temporarily suspended that option until next year. Grumble. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning except this one on YouTube.